Hello, my name is Kshitiz Giri, a physiotherapy student at Medhavi Skills University. I choose this university for its strong emphasis on hands-on training and practical skills. My experience has been challenging yet rewarding. The teaching style promotes active learning and the well-equipped labs have greatly enhanced my understanding. I have gained essential skills in patient assessment and physiotherapy equipment use. The memorable project was creating a video on upper limb MMT, which helped me apply theory to practical. The faculty here is supportive, guiding us in both academy and skills like patient communication and ethics. Campus life is vibrant with clubs activity, skill challenges and events that connect us with diverse group of people in an inclusive environment. I plan to specialize in orthopedic physiotherapy. This program has given me the foundation to pursue this goal. I highly recommend Medhavi Skills University to anyone pursuing physiotherapy. A skill-focused approach prepares you well for a meaningful career in healthcare. Thank you.